Hello and welcome. I'm Greer Lynch, VP Marketing at Mavenoid. I'm excited to bring to you today a customer story with our customer Pura. They're a smart fragrance diffuser company, and we are joined today by Noall Foxley, who is the Digital Product Manager for Customer Care. Welcome, Noall. Can you introduce yourself for the group?
Yeah, hi. Thank you. I'm Noel. As you mentioned, the digital product manager for Pura. I've been with the company for 2 years as their digital product manager, managing the tools that help support customer care.
Wonderful. Can you tell us a bit about Pura? What products does your company make? Who's your typical customer, and what are the typical customer support needs?
Yeah, Pura is a smart fragrance diffuser company founded by Richie and Bruno. It was born from the idea that fragrance can enhance the way we experience our day-to-day life. We offer two types of diffusers. The Pura Smart Wall Diffuser, also known as the Pura 4. This is our home fragrance solution that can plug into any outlet in your home. Then we have the Pura Car Diffuser, which you can take with you on the go. Both diffusers are controlled through an app that allows you to turn them on, off, control the intensity of the fragrance, set schedules, and other smart features. Along with our smart tech diffusers, we have a catalog of over 200 fragrances created by world-class perfumers. We partner with favorite household brands to bring well-known and new scents to our customers' homes. And our fragrance marketplace really has a scent for everyone. Our typical customer is anyone who enjoys scent and creating an experience around it, or even individuals who want to come home to a fresh smelling home after work or to hide some unwanted smells in the kitchen or bathroom using our open air technology. Our customer support needs vary, so we see a broad range of questions from how do I set up the diffuser to which fragrance gives a fruity or calming scent. I think it's safe to say that the world of fragrance is vast and Pura support needs have continued to grow to meet those demands.
Wonderful. Thank you for that introduction. Can you tell me a little bit about Pura's workflow for servicing those support requests, and how is Mavenoid contributing?
Yeah, our response workflow to support requests are built around a multi-channel support system with an emphasis on self-service. Our self-service options are offered throughout our website and app to provide quick and easy access to trusted content they need when it's needed. And to further support our customers, we also offer agent-based support through live chat and email. Pura's customer care economy is comprised of multiple tools, people, and resources to ensure we are creating a delightful experience for our customers. And Mavenoid has been an integral component to providing that emphasized self-service experience, while opening up an agent-based support channel through live chat. We've leveraged Mavenoid's virtual assistant for quick in-app and website help, and most recently implemented the Dynamic Help Center to offer trusted content to our customers through search engine optimization while creating a unique interactive experience through our own Help Center.
Wonderful. Let's talk a little bit more about the Help Center. So I understand that Pura was previously using, a more traditional static Help Center before making the switch to implement to Mavenoid's Dynamic Help Center solution. What led you to seek out a different solution?
Yeah, so several years ago, we initially implemented a static help center to support the launch of our self-service features. However, as we grew and reviewed customer feedback and our growing business needs, it was clear we needed to make some changes. So through customer-driven insights we'd received and leveraging our company values, we identified some key challenges that we wanted to tackle with the self-serve options we were going to offer. Some of the business needs we identified were ease of use and minimal resource usage for brand maintenance and content management, which included like structure, flow, and making sure the content was updated quickly and easily. Second was customization. We wanted to create a unique experience that matched Pura's branding and one where the customer could be engaged with the self-service content we offered. While our customer-based priorities were a desire to find content with minimal effort, and one where the content stays relevant. Again, that trust component is big. Also, that the help center was disjointed from our website or app experience, which caused distrust in the information that was being offered there. Having these challenges mapped out allowed us to create a new vision for what we wanted the help center to embody, which was to create an interactive help center that embodies the essence of Pura, where customers feel as delighted with our self-service options as they are with our fragrances. From there, we decided to move forward with Mavenoid's Dynamic Help Center.
Wonderful. Thanks for the overview there. I'm sure that proving the ROI and the return on investment was important after you advocated and secured the budget for this new tool. So what metrics were you tracking before and after the Dynamic Help Center launch on your site? And, how soon were you realizing improvements?
Yeah, so our key metrics we were measuring before and after the transition were user engagement, CSAT, support ticket reduction, and content accessibility. We had some standout achievements that were quickly realized when we implemented the Dynamic Help Center, the biggest of which was the content accessibility. Thanks to the SEO optimization provided by the Dynamic Help Center, this not only ensured users had quick access to trusted brand content, but also granted easier access to our full Help Center experience. Another noteworthy win we had, and it truly a customer experience dream, was a reduction in support tickets, even with a massive spike in our volume. While we were a bit skeptical at first, as I think most people would be, we verified and confirmed the data that indeed we saw a reduction in tickets with an increase in successful self-service. For me, this showed the importance of us focusing on the challenges that we identified earlier. Were spot on. So listening to your customer does pay off. And I've got to say, we've been thrilled with these outcomes, and they showcase our commitment to delivering a seamless and efficient experience for our customers.
Wonderful. It's great to hear. Can you talk to me about the implementation process for Dynamic Help Center? What was that like? And can you give the audience an idea of how long it took, who was involved, et cetera?
Yeah, so from start to finish, it took approximately 8 weeks. Implementing a transitional change, especially one involving significant migration across platforms, requires a fair amount of coordination. So our transition team included individuals from user experience, LTB, content, customer care, SEO, and our SRE teams. This collaborative approach allowed us to address the complexities of the project, but gave us a holistic vantage point that considered various aspects from user experience to technical requirements. And that's just from the Pura side. Mavenoid's implementation team was pivotal with the successful migration and launch of the product, with communication, planning, and coordination being the key strengths there. Their efforts were monumental and allowed us to streamline workflows, enable easy content migration, and improved SEO optimization for launch, just to name a few things.
Great. Sounds like a quick but involved process. So thanks for walking us through that. Wanted to spend some time just now talking about analytics. So really the ability to dive into understanding how effective the customer experience is. So analytics are an important component of Mavenoid's platform, but data is only meaningful if you know how to act on it, right? So can you share an example of how you're using Mavenoid's unified analytics dashboard to improve on Pura's product offering or customer experience?
Yeah, I actually like this question a lot, and I really can't express enough just how important data is to a business, but more importantly to the customer, right? Data is what enables us to recognize successes or gaps we have within our self-service workflows, and the unified analytics dashboard that Mavenoid provides has been a great resource for us to leverage what we're doing well or need to improve on. A great example of this is shortly after we implemented the Dynamic Help Center, we noticed an uptick in searches and flow selections for one particular product error message. The data we were able to pull was great because we were able to see how customers were searching for this issue, which flow they were choosing, and which troubleshooting option solved their issue more frequently than others. This breakdown of data gave our product team a better understanding of the impact it was having to our product and its usage, which in turn allowed us to pivot resources to get a fix rolled out quicker. And another key improvement we were able to make based on these findings were improved search functionality. After seeing these search results, we used the Mavenoid gap analysis tool to fill in any other holes for that particular topic we may have missed. And these new keywords allowed us to bolster our library for the flow in question, along with several others. And slightly unrelated, we've been able to use the gap analysis tool to add in hundreds of new search terms in the last few months. Another key point that I want to bring up here is that consolidating all of our self-service data onto one platform has been a game changer. This simple shift has been instrumental by giving our assessments of self-service and life support a more comprehensive view.
Great, thank you. Really interesting to see how you're using analytics and data for your customers. So final question here. What customer support strategies or tools would you recommend to other companies?
Yeah, so just a couple basics here, really. First and foremost, leverage data with an emphasis on customer feedback. Collecting customer feedback is one thing, but taking the time to analyze and understand their experiences allow you to identify the real areas you need to improve upon. So don't sit on it, take it and run with it. The other piece here is invest in multi-channel support coupled to self-serve with automation and AI capabilities. Customers want to contact you in ways that fit their needs, so offer those channels to them. But don't forget that customers want to be able to solve a problem quickly, so self-serve is a channel that needs as much nurturing and care as live agents do with consistent training.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate your time today, and we all learned a great deal, so appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.